Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're here again with the Shark Rotator Professional NV 650. There is a clog in this vacuum, and I have decided to show you a video of how to unclog your Shark vacuum cleaner. I see the clog, and I know where the clog's at. If you guys did not see my video from yesterday, which I actually just uploaded it this morning, you should go watch that video because this thing sounds really bad. It's badly clogged. And I believe that's the reason why this vacuum was thrown away in the first place, because someone plugged it up and then threw it away. They plugged it up, clogged it, it didn't pick up no more, so they threw it away. So now I have it, and it's got a clog in it, and from what I can tell, it looks like, with better lighting out here today, it looks like there's a sock in the hose or underwear or something. There's something in there that's not supposed to be in there. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to get that out today. So first thing you want to do is unwrap your cord, and we're just going to lay it. We're just gonna lay it down. Just get it out of the way. Then we're gonna take the hose off. You're gonna press this button here. Press this button here. And then your handle comes off. And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. That slides off. And then, with better lighting out here today, I don't know if you guys can see in there or not. I'm not sure if you guys can actually, there you go. There you go. Now you can see what's in there. Now you can see what's in there. It looks like a sock. So if someone sucked up a sock and it got stuck in the hose, and then it caused the vacuum to get clogged, and then they didn't know, or they just didn't care, and then they just threw the whole vacuum away. So that's why this vacuum was thrown away, because they plugged it up and they threw it away. I just don't understand people. So there's a clog in the hose, and if you look in here, there's stuff in here too, so we're gonna have to pull this off too. The button says wand release, so we're gonna press this down and pull this out too. The wand comes off, and you can see there's stuff in there too. There's a lot of stuff in there. So we're gonna have to unplug that. And we're gonna have to unplug this. To get this out, it looks like I'm gonna need some nail nose pliers. So, let's see, do I have any laying around? Here's my tool bag, right here. Let's see, do I got any nail nose pliers? Ah, right here. Needle nose pliers. Alright, so let's see if we can get this sock out, or underwear, or whatever it is. I believe it's a sock. But there it is. In the hose. So let's get our needle nose pliers. And let's put this in here. Try and grab it. Alright. And now we're just gonna pull it out. a sock. They sucked up a sock. Why? So there's a sock in this hose, clogged up the vacuum, and then they just threw out the vacuum. They just threw out the whole entire thing over a sock being in the hose. Wow. Okay, so hose is successfully unclogged. Now we gotta get all the yummy stuff out of here. Now there's crap in here we gotta get out. So let's just grab our nail nose pliers. It just looks like dirt and trash that didn't make it through. So the fuck is that? Anyways, ooh, excuse my language. Throw that out. Okay, that's clear. Alright, so alright, so now everything appears to be unclogged, hopefully. Let's check here to see if there's anything else. And that's clear. Is this clogged? Looks to be, but maybe it will pull through when there's suction. So let's get our tools or our parts here, and let's put this back on. Oh, that's on the wrong way. Let's put that back on. Let's put this back on. Yeah, let's put this back on. Alright, let's see what this thing sounds like now. It's plugged in and see how it sounds. And that right there is how you successfully just fix the entire vacuum that someone threw away. Someone literally sucked up a sock, got clogged in the hose, and then they just threw the whole entire vacuum away. So this whole vacuum is fixed now. So I just got a vacuum for free that was thrown away, and now it works perfectly fine. It works like brand new. So that's just how wasteful of a society that we have. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned how to unclog your shark vacuum in this case. So hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, guys, peace out.